How you make me feel, oh, you give me chills, baby.
Hey you guys, this is Kel and I am back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so I have a wig I did not plan on getting. So I am in a coupon group and something flashed on my screen. I got a notification that said a wig was 50% off and I was like, okay, let me go look at it. Because I've been fooled by that before. It was like, oh, wig 50% off, and then I go get it and it's like a costume wig and it's bad. So I got this wig and I saw it and I was like, okay, let's try it out. I believe I paid $5 with the coupon, right? So I'm gonna put her picture. Of course I'm gonna put her picture. But she's a headband wig and I just thought she was so cute and I was like, okay, let's try that out. $5 I can't miss, right? So I got this. She is a kinky straight headband wig. And when I saw her, when she finally came in, I was like, ooh. I was not expecting her to look like this. I honestly thought it was going to be a costume wig, and it is not. This is a kinky straight synthetic unit, headband synthetic wig, and I think she's a 1B30. 1B30 or 1B33. She looks to be around 16 to 18 inches, maybe 20, because she's pretty long. Of course, you have your headband at the top, here. And then on the inside, you have 2 combs in the front. Yeah, 2 combs in the front. Wait, she got 3 combs. 3 combs in the front, you guys. And then she has, of course, the Velcro strap to the headband and a comb in the back. She do have adjustable straps. Yeah, so she's a Yaki straight wig, and let me go ahead and put her on. Put she on because she cute. So I'll be back with the wig on. Okay guys, I am back with the halfway going and she's cute. Okay, she's really cute and she's long. She is so long, y'all, like super duper long. She's super soft, super soft. I do think this wig will start tangling. She isn't shedding right now. Oh, yes she is. I got like 2-3 strands. That's not a lot though, y'all. That's really not a lot. But she's cute. Look at her. She's textured. I'm gliding through her good, but I do think she will eventually start to tangle. I put my little emoji headband on there, so I just want y'all to see that. But anywho, this is her. She's cute. She's cute. Let me see what styles I can do with her. Let's try. This is her smooth about the pack, you know, combed out or whatever. Super long, super long. I wasn't expecting her to be this long once I put it on, but all right, let me try some styles. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with the wig in this half up, half down style. She's real cute like this though. I really do like it, but she is a lot of hair and she's a super big cap. So I just put it up here messily, so I'm gonna have to take that down. But It's like real messy up here. But she's cute and she is a lot of hair, and I do feel like she's going to tangle eventually. But she is cute. She's a lot of hair. She's textured. She's thick. She's hot. She's also very big head friendly, because when I first tried to put this hair in a ponytail, y'all, this wig slipped smooth on off. Smooth off. Y'all know my head is small. My head is small. So I had to adjust the straps and put the comb in the front. Rude. Anywho, she's cute. I like her. Big head friendly. If you have a small head like me, please use the combs or adjust your straps accordingly, because even for me, this wig is still too big. But she's cute, and for $5, y'all, for $5, it was good. It was $5 for me. I am going to link it in the description box, and you guys can go get it if you guys like it. Just know that she is shedding a little bit, and I do believe that she's eventually going to tangle. I know she's going to tangle. She gonna tangle. So just understand that, and also understand that I got this wig on a coupon group for $5. She is not really $5. So she was my coupon find. So I don't want y'all all in my comment section talking about, Raquel, that wig ain't $5. It's not. It's not. But she was $5 for me. So I'm sorry. But she's cute, and I'm gonna wear her because the colors is cute. This one be 33, super, super cute, super thick. I really, really like her. If you like this wig, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you got something to tell me about this wig, or if you got a coupon code for this wig, go ahead and put it in the comment section so somebody else can get this wig for $5. And of course, share my wig, well, share my video. Share my video with all of your wig loving friends. Why can't I speak? What's happening? Share my video with all of your wig loving friends, and of course, subscribe to me, because I would love for you to be a part of my family. And that's it, now that I'm not tongue tied. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.